In front of me is LENOVO Idea Tab Plus 12.1 Mate Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on More Connections right away. Then hit Printing. Tap on Default Print Service or any other service you have and wanna use. They all turn on the same way. And then click on gray switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it, just like in my case. If you are struggling to connect, you can also enable print service, and this time tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Add Printer. Click on Find Wi-Fi Direct Printers over here, or if you can see this option, tap on Wi-Fi Direct Printing to enable it. Then select Find and let your tablet to search for yours. You can also just click on this section called iPrinter by IP address, import it here and connect manually by selecting Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!